Njoni tumwimbie Bwana, tumfanyie shangwe, mwamba wa wokovu wetu. Hallelujah.
While we were volunteering in Africa years ago, the power would go out in the middle of a surgery. A $5,000 piece of medical equipment would be rendered useless because it had not been protected against dirty power fluctuations. The problems with the local grid that we saw were not isolated to hospitals. Outages were and are a daily fact of life for hundreds of millions of people worldwide.
Technology is the key to climbing up the rungs of the ladder of development, and one of the most fundamental parts of technology is energy. Without modern energy, there is no modern economy. It's as simple as that.
In the last decade, the increased consumption of electronics has led to a different issue, the proliferation of e-waste. While e-waste only accounts for 2% of what goes into landfills by mass, it accounts for up to 70% of the environmentally hazardous heavy metals. About 400 million units of electronic waste are discarded each year, and only 12.5% of these circuits are being recycled. The heavy metals such as lead, solder, and copper that are incorporated into electronic circuits are toxic, which pose serious health risks to people and communities who seek to manually extract valuable commodities inside the waste products.
In the summer of 2009, James Molini, Chris Hammond, Adam Kurzrock, and Matt Byrne joined forces to repair medical equipment in hospitals throughout Tanzania. After successfully developing a backup power source using discarded electronic parts found in the local community, it quickly became clear that there might be more widespread applicability. Their innovation is called the NZ interface, which means powerful in Swahili.
The NZ is a low-cost backup power supply that can provide hours of affordable backup power to a developing world customer during a power outage. To cut costs, the device incorporates a wide range of recycled electronic waste components, allowing us to not only provide a solution to power outages, but a green solution to environmental waste propagation.
Waste to Watts is currently establishing the viability of the market through concerted tests in hospitals in Rwanda and Cambodia.
I'm here on the ground in Kigali, Rwanda, speaking with local NGOs, small and medium business owners, as well as healthcare workers to understand the impact the NZ can have to them.
More than 50% of all the health facilities in this country have no electricity whatsoever.
Tanzania, most of the hospital, yesterday, if there's something like this, which can be used for their backup system.
Mission organization, and every missionary that I know of, I'm confident, would want one of these devices.
There's a massive need.
Everybody would want it.
Where can I buy it?